Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is a metal wire, when bent in the form of an equilateral triangle of largest area, encloses an area of 484 root 3 centimeter square. Now, if the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, find the area of the circle. So, what we understand from here, the wire perimeter of the wire, that is length of the wire, perimeter of triangle is the length of the wire. Fine, because if we are making a triangle, we are making with the wire, so this is the length of the wire. So perimeter of triangle is equal to length of the wire, and the same length is used to make the circle. So what we come out from this, perimeter of triangle is equal to circumference of circle. Yes. So now our job will be to find the perimeter of this equilateral triangle. Now area, first we will find area is, what is the area of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square, right? Root 3 by 4 a square is the area, where a is the side. So area is 484 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So now we will find a from this, that is the side. 484 into root 3 goes down and 4 comes up, right? Now a square is 484 into 4. We will find the square root of 484 into 4. So 484, let's factorize it. 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, right? And we know 11 into 11 is 121. So 484 can be written as 2 into 2 into 11 into 11, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2, or just 4, leave it. We'll make pairs out of it, and for square root we take one out of these pairs. So this is how we find the square root. So 2 into 11 into 2, that is 44 centimeter is the side of the triangle, equilateral triangle. As it is an equilateral triangle, this is side, I'll write here side of an equilateral triangle. Now this is the side of the equilateral triangle. I know that all the sides of equilateral triangles are same. So what will be the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? That will be 3 into the side. 3 into 44 will be the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, that is 132 centimeter. Now this perimeter is equal to the circumference of the circle, right? Now with this circumference we will find the radius of the given circle. So what we will write, circumference is equal to 132, which is equal to the perimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to 132. So what will be r? 132 divided by 2 pi. 132, 2 pi ka value is 22 by 7, so 7 goes on the top. So now what will this be? You can cancel this with 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 66, 2, 6, 3. So what is the value of r? R is 21 centimeter. Now we got the radius of the circle. So now we will find the area of the circle, that is pi r square. 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, right? So that will become 3, and 21 into 3 is 66 into 21, that is 1386 centimeter square. So this is the area of the circle. So what we did, we found the perimeter of the triangle, that is the length of the wire, and that perimeter of the triangle is equal to circumference of the circle. How did we find the perimeter of the triangle? by finding the side with the help of area, and then finding the perimeter, making the circumference equal to that perimeter, and getting the value of r, and then using it in the formula. Why we did so? Because we know that the length of the wire, you make it a triangle, you make it a square, you make it a circle, will be same. And what is the length of the wire? The perimeter of the triangle.